Unveiling Excellent, Mastering a Favorite English Phrase. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into a word that's music to the ears of students, employees, and anyone who's ever tried their hand at something new. Excellent. It's a term we often aim to hear and love to use. So, let's explore what makes this phrase so universally positive and how you can use it to both compliment and motivate. Whether you're learning English or refining your vocabulary, understanding excellent is an excellent place to start. The word excellent is an adjective that comes from the Latin word excellentia, which means to excel or to be outstanding. In English, it's used to describe something of exceptionally high quality, something that is superior or remarkably good. Think of it as a gold star in verbal form, a way to acknowledge that something or someone has surpassed ordinary standards. Examples: she did an excellent job on the project. The chef prepared an excellent meal. In these sentences, excellent signifies that the job done or the meal prepared is not just good, but outstanding. Although excellent is a fantastic word, it's always great to have alternatives to avoid repetition. Here are some synonyms you can use: outstanding, exceptional, superb, first-rate, top-notch. By varying your vocabulary, you can make your language richer and more engaging. For example, the service at the hotel was superb. He is an exceptional student, always surpassing expectations. Excellent is versatile and can be used in various contexts. Here's how you can use it in formal contexts. In a business meeting or academic setting, excellent can convey professionalism and high standards. Your proposal is excellent. It covers all our requirements. In formal contexts, with friends or in casual situations, it can be an enthusiastic expression of satisfaction. That was an excellent movie. Encouraging feedback. As a form of positive reinforcement, excellent can encourage people to continue their good work. Your progress in learning English is excellent. Although we're avoiding phonetics, remember that pronunciation is key to being understood. Break excellent down into its syllables. Excellent. Stress the first syllable, like this: excellent. Try it out loud a few times until it feels natural. Here are a few common phrases where excellent is often found. Excellent choice. When approving of someone's decision. Excellent work. When praising someone's effort or outcome. That sounds excellent. When showing enthusiasm about a plan or idea. Using these phrases can add a positive tone to your conversations and encourage those around you. And there you have it. You're now more familiar with the word excellent and how to incorporate it into your daily English use. It's a simple yet powerful word that can describe the highest quality and convey deep appreciation. I hope you find this explanation excellent and that it helps you on your journey to mastering the English language. Keep practicing, and soon, you'll be using excellent with ease and confidence. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.